Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we continue with our activities. For in this opportunity we have pages 62, 63. We're going to start with speaking activity and this time we're going to talk about locations. Here I have an audio and says listen and complete the dialogue between Michael, I'm sorry, and his friend Jaden. And here you have the dialogue and there are some parts in which you need to complete the activity. Okay, now let's see. Also here we have a picture. In this picture we have a boy, maybe he's in the park and he's talking with someone by the phone. Could be Michelle or Michael, and he's talking to his friend Jaden. Well, let's see. The idea is to listen and complete the audio. Pay attention.
Unit 4, Track 43, Speaking.
Hi, Jaden. How's everything?
I'm great, Michael, thanks. Guess where I am?
No idea. At the mall?
Nope, but it's not far from there.
Let me try again then. Are you next to the drugstore?
I'm actually across from that.
So you're at the modern art exhibition at the museum.
That's it. Why don't you come over? I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Yep, I'm 10 minutes from there at the clothing store next to the restaurant.
Great. See you soon then.
Okay, class. Now the idea is to listen and complete the activity. In this part, they use the vocabulary. Let's remember the vocabulary about places in town. Here, the bank, the drugstore, the gym, hotel, library, mall, movie theater, museum, newsstand, restaurant, school, shoe store, subway station, and supermarket. Okay? So, what do you have to do? Listen and complete the activity. Okay? If you need to listen once again, you can look for that part and play the video. Functional language. Talking about locations. Guess where I am. Can you remember when I show you the pictures? For example, here, when we start the vocabulary, I say, okay, look at the picture. What can you see? Guess. It's a guessing moment. Guess. No? Adivinar. Perfect. Now look. It is in the functional language. Guess where I am. At the museum, at the mall, at the supermarket, at the newsstand, at the restaurant, so you can tell me many things. Are you near? Are you near the bookstore, the library? Are you near the bank? In 10 minutes from there. Okay, and the last one in 10 minutes. He's giving a time, no? In 10 minutes. And we can see, for example, guess where I am here. Let's see, guess where I am, no? Or for example, at the, let me see, no idea, at the, and you say the class or say the teacher a place, no? Or are you near? Maybe you're looking for some information, no? Are you near? What is that? Let me see. Oh, I read. Let me see. Try again. No, but it's not from there. Far from there, let me try again. Are you next to the, actually, okay. Now, or I'm in 10 minutes from there. No, I'm 10 minutes from there. What is that? Here, no, I'm 10 minutes from there at the clothing store. Let's see. Let's continue with the speaking task. Prepare a dialogue between you and a friend. Okay, now let's see. Step 1. First look at a leaflet and decide where you want to be. A city guide is like, for example, you visit a place and there is a guide, no? There is a guide, or maybe you don't know Lima and you want to know Lima, and you can look for a city guide or a city tour. It's a possibility. Cinema, no, at the park, a movie theater, or the library. So which place? Hey, I want to go to the cinema. Perfect. So that is the first step. Number 2, think about your questions and guesses. Like, for example, where are you? You're at, or you're near. So like the conversation here, no? Like the conversation. Step number 3, write your dialogue. So this is a model of your dialogue, for example, no? You can change information. For example, here says, hi Jaden, how's everything? In the case of the girls, I can say, hi Diana, how's everything? And here I can say, I'm great. Let's see, Flavia, thanks. Guess where I am? Or in the case of the boys, you can say, hi, let's see, Michelle, how's everything? I'm great. Let's see, Fernando, thanks. Guess where I am? You need to transform and try to be yours this conversation. Step number 4, working pairs take turns practicing your dialogue. So that is the idea, okay? That is the idea. So in this part, you are going to work a speaking activity about locations. Another example, I say, hello, let me see, hello, Sophia. Now I'm going to follow this dialogue. Hello, Sophia, how's everything? I'm great, Alan, thanks. Guess where I am? No idea. At the park in Imperial, for example? No, but it's not far from there. Um, Let me try again then. Are you next to the, I don't know, are you next to the BCP or the bank? I'm actually next to, across from, behind, so you can use any of the preposition of place. So you are at the, and you continue, no? Another example, for example, I say, hi, let's see a boy's name, hi, Luis, how's everything? I'm great, Alan, thanks, guess what I am? No idea. At the, I don't know, let me see, supermarket, imagine Totus. Nope, but it's not far from there. Let me try again. Then, are you next to the, I don't know, let me see, shoe store? No, like Viale or Bata. I'm actually, and you say across from, next to, etc. No, and you can continue with your conversation. No, so that is what you have to do at the end. Okay, class, I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much. See you.